Morning everyone. It's Saturday morning here and just wanted to shoot a quick video to introduce what I'm going to be doing, hopefully for not most of the day, but at least some of today. We've got our floor now, you can see it's now been sanded. I've got tape around the edges, around the baseboards, and we've got the radiator off. I've just gone over the floor with a wet rag. Apparently that's supposed to help what I'm about to do, which is stain the floor. So I'm going to be using this Morel's stain, and this is the dark oak color. It's the dark oak color, and yeah, just looking to make the floors a bit darker. When we moved in, they were quite red. Still are pretty red. And what we're trying to do is just get rid of the red color. So I am going to do the usual, do a time lapse, and hopefully show everyone what I'm up to, and we'll see how it turns out. Hope you guys enjoy. Ciao.